In this YouTube video, we will guide you through the updated process of reporting a spotlight on Snapchat. Let's break down the steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to begin the reporting process. Next, locate and tap on the spotlight icon situated at the bottom right corner of your screen within the Snapchat app. After tapping the spotlight icon, you'll need to tap on the three dots also located at the bottom right corner of the spotlight snap. From the options that appear, select Report Snap to indicate that you want to report the spotlight snap for review. You will then be prompted to select a reason for reporting the spotlight snap. Choose the most appropriate reason from the provided options. Once you've selected the reason, tap on Submit to officially report the spotlight snap to Snapchat's moderation team for further action. By following these steps, you can effectively report spotlights on Snapchat and contribute to maintaining a safe and positive community environment. Stay informed and empowered with this step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching.